So here is our caramel popcorn, cheddar cheese popcorn and Parmesan. And here is our chocolate popcorn. Now this is perfect to have you're watching a movie. Something will just have a lot of reception. Enjoy. Welcome to Basic Cooking with Chef Ag now. So today we're cooking some popcorn, but we're cooking it with style. We get three kinds of popcorns we're going to cook. Basically the basic popcorn first. Then we're going to do like some glaze with caramel sauce. We made some caramel sauce here. And then we have one with a cheddar cheese. And then the other one is with the chocolate. So we melted some chocolate here. So chocolate, cheddar, and caramel. So very easy, we throw the popcorn in here. Just got a little salt. I like to add salt in the beginning so it's easier. Oil. And then you're going to wait for it to pop. When the popcorn comes up, we're going to divide it into three. One gets chocolate, one gets the caramel, one gets cheddar cheese. So this is like a good thing to have for the holidays because it's coming, it's a good appetizer for your guests when they arrive. You give them a little popcorn, and popcorn fills you up. It's actually good for your health because, I mean, if you don't add a lot of stuff, but it's a good feeling and you don't have to eat all those heavy calories. You can see the popcorn popping. It's dancing. So cover it up, let it pop all the way. Very simple thing to make. You don't have to add chocolate, you can just make simple popcorn, watch a good movie. Add a little butter if you want, and salt. If you don't want, you can just eat it like that. It's simple stuff. And then we're gonna add the caramel. Caramel makes it like a candy. It's gonna be like when the caramel cools off, it's gonna be crusty. It's gonna be like a candy. So it's like eating a little candy, but it's actually popcorn. And the cheddar, for those who get a little glass of wine, it's good to have popcorn with the cheddar popcorn. And then the desserty one will be the chocolate one. And it's popping. Just gotta keep an eye on it so we can turn it off when it's stop popping. We gotta turn it off, otherwise it'll burn the bottom. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start working with our popcorn. So we get 3. You can even make 4 kinds, but 3 is good enough. Okay. So the first batch here, I'm gonna divide it equally. It's gonna be so fun. I think my daughter is gonna be so happy. Just imagine watching movies and having 4 kinds of popcorn. Now this is the last one. As a plain, meaning that we're gonna use leftover popcorn here. So we'll get to that. Let's do this first before caramel gets hard. So this is the caramel sauce we made. Basically just pour it. Just gonna mix it up a little bit. More caramel. Very important the caramel is still soft when you do this, otherwise you end up with the big lumps. When this cools off, it's going to be like a candy, crunchy. Okay, next let's get the chocolate before it cools off too. Just going to pour it directly from here. Add some cocoa powder to this. It's done. And this one here, we're just gonna add some Parmesan cheese. So we get a cheesy one, caramel one. And the cheese is gonna coat it. And then we got a plain one. We're gonna shift over. Okay, so I'll put these two in the sheet pan, let them break down, and voila, we'll come back for presentation.